Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fizan Rashid and today I am going to give presentation on human. So without wasting time, let's start. So basically, what is human? A human is a member of the species Homo sapien, which means wise man in Latin. Carolus Linnaeus put human in the mammalian order of primates. Humans are bipedal, which means they walk on two legs. Humans have a very complex brain which is much larger than other living apes. Human evolution. Human evolution is a lengthy process of change by which people originated from ape-like ancestors. Scientific evidence shows that the physical and behavioral traits of humans are closely related to chimpanzees and evolved over a period of approximately 6 million years ago. Human habitat. Human habitat are places where people live and where they can find all the things they need to survive. Early human settlements were dependent on water and other natural resources used for existence, such as populations of animal prey for hunting and arable land for growing crops and grazing livestock. Modern humans, however, have a great capacity for altering their habitat by means of technology, irrigation, urban planning, construction, deforestation, and desertification. This slide shows a clear difference between early human habitat versus modern human habitat. Early humans used natural resources for their survival, and modern humans use technologies for their survival. Human skeleton. The human skeleton, like that other vertebrates, consists of two principal subdivisions. These are the axial skeleton and the appendicular skeleton. Axial skeleton of human is the part of skeleton that consists of the bones of head and the trunk. The axial skeleton consists of 80 bones and composed of 6 parts: the skull, middle ear, the rib cage, sternum, the hyoid bone, and the vertebral column. The appendicular skeleton of a human is the part of skeleton that supports the appendages. There are 126 bones. It consists of limbs as well as supporting shoulder, pectoral girdle, and pelvic girdle. Human body system. The most commonly defined body system in humans are skeletal system, which provides structure to the body and protect internal organs. Number 2, muscular system, which supports the body and allows it to move. Number 3, nervous system, controls sensation, thought, movement, and visually all other body activities. Number 4, digestive system, which breaks down food and absorbs its nutrients. Number 5, respiratory system. It takes in oxygen and releases waste gases. Number 6, circulatory system, which transports oxygen, nutrients, and other substances to cell and carries away wastes. Human life cycle. As with other mammals, human reproduction takes place by internal fertilization by sexual intercourse. Typically, the gestation period is 38 weeks, which means 9 months. The human lifespan can be separated into a number of stages. These are embryonic stage, childhood, teenage years, young adulthood, and old age. Evidence-based studies indicate that the lifespan of an individual depends on two major factors. Number 1, the genetic and lifestyle choices. Human society. Humans are highly social beings and tend to live in large complex social groups. They can be divided into different groups according to their income, wealth, power, reputation, and other factors. In one society, humans perform different functions like they interact with each other and make relationships. They use different languages to express them. They use different diet and dresses to define their culture. They worship their gods to express their religions. They do trade among them to grow economic. They use different tools and technologies to make their work easy. They use politics to make power and peace. They do war to save their identity. Society. This slide shows some important factors for a society. A society is made by technologies, culture, diet, government and politics, trade and economics, religions, war, and development. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Allah Hafiz, take care.